Struggling to get your YouTube videos recommended? You're not alone. Most creators put in hours of work only to see their videos barely reach an audience. But what if I told you there's a hidden strategy that could not only get your videos recommended by YouTube, but also make it pop up as an answer when someone asks ChatGPT about that topic? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create YouTube videos that get recommended by both YouTube and ChatGPT. And once you understand how this system works, you'll have a massive edge over other creators. First, let's break down how the YouTube algorithm actually works. YouTube recommends videos based on three main factors: click-through rate, CTR, watch time, and engagement. The higher your CTR, meaning more people who click on your video when it's shown, the more YouTube will push your content to others. Then comes watch time. If people stay glued to your video, that's a strong signal to YouTube that your content is valuable. Lastly, engagement. Comments, likes, and shares tells YouTube that people care about your content. But here's the secret sauce. ChatGPT can help boost all of these factors. If ChatGPT starts recommending your videos as a direct answer to questions, it creates a powerful feedback loop where more people find your videos, engage with it, and boost its performance on YouTube. The first step is to use ChatGPT to find high potential video ideas. Start by focusing on a niche: personal finance, side hustles, tech reviews, or whatever your channel is about. Then open ChatGPT and type what are trending YouTube video topics in your niche. ChatGPT will generate a list of hot topics that are already being searched on YouTube. Next, take it a step further by asking ChatGPT, what are the most recommended YouTube videos about the topic? Sometimes ChatGPT will provide actual YouTube video links. Here's the trick: if ChatGPT shows specific video links, you've hit gold. Copy the exact title from the top ranking video. Why? Because ChatGPT is recommending that video for a reason. It's likely already optimized for YouTube's algorithm, that ChatGPT content filtering. By using a similar title and angle, you increase the chances that ChatGPT will also recommend your video for that same topic. Once you've locked down your title, it's time to optimize the video description, and ChatGPT can handle this for you too. Open ChatGPT and type suggest a YouTube video description for a video about the topic that will get recommended by ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a description packed with relevant keywords and engaging language. Now, here's the key. Don't change the suggested description too much. Copy and paste it directly into YouTube's video description box. Why does this work? Because ChatGPT pulls from structured content and language patterns that are already recognized by both YouTube and search engines. The more aligned your description is with these patterns, the higher the chance ChatGPT will include your video link in future answers. Next, you'll want to add strategic tags and hashtags. Go back to ChatGPT and type, generate the best YouTube tags for a video about the topic. ChatGPT will provide a list of tags that are already being used in high-ranking videos. Copy and paste these into your video settings. Then ask, what are the most popular hashtags for a YouTube video about the topic? Again, copy and paste directly into your description and title. Why does this work? Because YouTube and ChatGPT use similar keyword structures to recommend content. If your video is optimized for search visibility, it increases the likelihood that ChatGPT will recommend it when someone asks about that topic. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT actually decides which YouTube links to recommend. When someone asks ChatGPT a question like, how can I start a side hustle? ChatGPT looks for content that matches the question using keyword relevance, engagement signals, and completion rates. If your video has a strong CTR, solid watch time, and the right keywords in the title and description, it becomes a prime candidate for ChatGPT to recommend. For example, if your video title is How I Make $5,000 in 30 Days with a Side Hustle and the description matches the topic perfectly, ChatGPT will likely recognize it as a high relevant answer. This is why using ChatGPT for video title and description optimization is so powerful. You're aligning your video with the language patterns that ChatGPT and YouTube's algorithm are already programmed to recognize. After ChatGPT and YouTube recommend your video, the next goal is to keep people watching. A strong hook in the first 30 seconds is critical. Start with a bold statement or question like, "Did you know 90% of YouTubers never get monetized? Here's why." Then keep the video flowing with fast cuts, background music, and on-screen text. Use timestamps in the description to make it easy for viewers to jump to key sections. The longer people stay watching, the stronger the signal to YouTube and ChatGPT that your video is valuable, which leads to even more recommendations. To further boost your video's visibility, you need to drive engagement. Ask viewers to comment and like early in the video. For example, comment below if you've tried this. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Use a pinned comment to link to another related video. This increases section time, which YouTube loves. The more engaged your audience, the more likely ChatGPT will view your video as high-value content and recommend it as a search result. Finally, let YouTube and ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. Post your videos at that time when your audience is most active. YouTube Studio provides this data. Add your video to a playlist so that it gets recommended alongside similar content. Then keep the momentum going by asking ChatGPT for content improvement tips like, what are the 3 ways to increase audience retention for a video about the topic? Suggest a better call to action for my video about the topic. The more you refine and align your content with ChatGPT's suggestion, the higher the chances that both YouTube and ChatGPT will continue to push your content. If you want to get recommended by both YouTube and ChatGPT, the formula is simple. Use ChatGPT to find trending topics, craft a high-performing title and description, and align your content with ChatGPT's language patterns. Don't forget to copy the recommended description and tags directly from ChatGPT. This increases your visibility on both platforms. With consistent efforts, you will see your videos getting more clicks, higher watch times, and better engagement. And before you know it, ChatGPT will be recommending your videos as the answer to key questions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on related topics for even more tips. Till then, goodbye.